So today I'll be showing you how to remove the background of a video in CapCut. Now this is very simple. So let's go and create a new project. So for instance, let's pick this video. And let's say I want to get rid of the background in this video clip. So let's go ahead and add it to our timeline. And so once it's in the timeline, just tap on it to select it. And then in the menu at the bottom here, you should see the option remove BG, which is basically remove background. So if you tap on that, there are several ways you can remove background. Okay, now you have the custom removal, which is a free version. Now with this one, you kind of have to pick a tool like a brush, and then you want to go and draw over your video like that and have those areas removed. But a better way to do this is to have the pro version, because if you have the pro version, let me just go back. Let me load another project so I can show you how to use the pro version. So select the clip, select remove BG, and if you have CapCut Pro, you can just tap on auto remove and it's gonna automatically do it for you. You can see it does a very good job at that. Okay, so once you're done, you can just tap on the check mark, and that's what it looks like. Now when you export, obviously you need to be signed in with an account that has the subscription for CapCut Pro, or you can just subscribe right now. Okay, so you have about $10 per month or $80 per year. So if you're not signed in with an account that has already purchased CapCut Pro, you might purchase right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.